Hello, this is Malki Singh. Today I will present the video for Sprint 3. In this video I will explain the Sprint 3 presentation in the client detail. Client name is the Mr. Prasanna and my company name is the Station Street Wentworthville Medical Center. We are 3 group member in this group, and me role is the web designer and the developer, and Harmeet Kaur is the scrum master and Lovepreet Kaur is our search analyst. In the teamwork, I will talk about the introduction. This project designed to ease the customer to save their time they spend in making the appointment. This website will reduce this whole effort of the customer and automate the process of appointment by the customer, and customer will be able to make their appointment by using this website. Through this website, customer would get email notification and SMS reminder of the upcoming appointment. The scope of this presentation: this website is helpful for customer and doctors. Customers spend a lot of time making an appointment. This website will reduce the whole effort of the customer and automate the process of appointment by the customer, and increase the customer satisfaction and ease the making of an appointment. Customer will make their appointment using by this website sitting at home. We saved a lot of time for customer through this website. The different tool we use in this website to make that the different language like HTML, CSS, JavaScript and PHP. I make the doctor panel. Firstly, I will explain the login page. In the login page, we can put the information, username like email address, and then put the a password. We can log in. Otherwise, we can make the account. After login, we see the dashboard of doctor page, in which show the information of the doctor name, email address, appointment date, which day or which month is available, and the doctor we can see the doctor profile, like therefore doctor we use Dr. James White, Dr. Steve Brown, Dr. Rohan Gupta and Dr. Amanda. In the appointment page, we can see the doctor can see the patient history, like patient name, image, patient disease, like appointment purpose, contact, age, appointment date, appointment status, and we can see the view details and view scans doctor can see. And we can doctor update also the doctor details like study, which hospital is working, and the medical resident of the doctor. And the doctor can see the reserve appointment like the email notification, and also doctor can see the pending appointment like notification or SMS reminder, the who will book the appointment he can see. And also doctor can check the prescription history, medical test details and medicine names, and he can also check the patient history like scan images, which test is required to do, and also he can check the update the status of the patient. This is my individual contribution like a designer. The design all interfaces like doctor panel and login pages, design prescription history, scan images, and design appointment page and patient history in this panel. Thanks regard. Thank you.